Hi, this is Mark, and this is English Conversation Practice. And today, you are shadowing with me, Mark. Yes, like a real shadow that follows you wherever you go, you will be my shadow. That is, you will not repeat after me. You will speak at the same time as I do, right? So what you're doing is you're listening and speaking at the same time. Input, output, input, output. All right? So a little bit challenging because you are using two skills. Yeah? You are listening and speaking at the same time. So using your listening skills and your speaking skills at the same time. All right? So it's a challenge, but it's good for your learning practice. Yeah? It's good for your learning motivation because you will improve your English speaking ability. Yeah? Okay, great, great. And today's topic is right here behind me, gerunds. Gerund, okay? And gerunds are verbs used as a noun. Verbs used as a noun, and we build the gerund with the base verb plus ing. Base verb plus ing. And some of the ways we use a gerund, for example, as gerund as a subject. Here's an example. Swimming is a good sport. Swimming is a good sport. Here's the gerund, and this is the subject. We also use gerunds at verb plus gerund. Verb plus gerund. Go swimming, go swimming. Go is the verb. Swimming is the gerund. We also use verb preposition gerund. For example, give up swimming. Give up swimming. Give is the verb, up is the preposition, and swimming is the gerund. And last but not least, be verb, adjective, preposition, gerund. For example, I am good at swimming. I am is the be verb. Good is the adjective. At is the preposition, and swimming is the gerund. Okay, so that's what we're doing today. Okay, and right here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 cards. Woohoo! Are you ready for 12 cards? Yes? Okay, great. And there will be 2 rounds, all right? Round 1, we will shadow the cards 3 times. Each card 3 times. But you will not see the card. You will not see the sentence. You will not see the picture, all right? Because in round 2, we will shadow the cards again, but then I will show you the sentence. I will show you the picture. That way, I do this because I want you to check your comprehension. I want you to test yourself how much you understood or how much you didn't understand, right? So by not seeing it the first time and then seeing it the second time, you will be able to gauge yourself. You will be able to judge yourself how well you did. All right? Okay, sounds good? Yes? Okay, good. All right, let's start. Here we go. Card number 1. Count down to shadowing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Singing makes me happy. Singing makes me happy. Singing makes me happy. Jogging keeps our body healthy. Jogging keeps our body healthy. Jogging keeps our body healthy. Acting is very difficult. Acting is very difficult. Acting is very difficult. Please keep practicing. Please keep practicing. Please keep practicing. Let's go horseback riding. Let's go horseback riding. Let's go horseback riding. I suggest using a cart. I suggest using a cart. I suggest using a cart. I asked about renting a chair. I asked about renting a chair. I asked about renting a chair. I look forward to seeing you soon. I look forward to seeing you soon. I look forward to seeing you soon. I gave up fishing. I gave up fishing. I gave up fishing. She is tired of playing. 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 They are famous for skating. They are famous for skating. They are famous for skating. He is good at cooking. He is good at cooking. He is good at cooking. Okay, that was good, yeah? How'd you do? Did you understand most of the cards? Yeah? No? In between? Yes, no, in between? Okay, well, now let's do round 2, and we will shadow each card again 3 times. Then I will show you the card. That way you can see the sentence, you can see the picture, and then we could look at how each sentence is built, right? How it is constructed, okay? Sorry about that, little cough here. Okay, let's count down to round number 2, okay? Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Singing makes me happy. Singing makes me happy. Singing makes me happy. Singing makes me happy. All right, so here's the gerund as a subject, singing. Singing is the subject. Okay, good. Okay, 2. Jogging keeps our body healthy. 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 All right, so jogging is our subject. Okay, good. Acting is very difficult. Acting is very difficult. Acting is very difficult. Acting is very difficult. All right, so acting is the subject. Please keep practicing. Please keep practicing. Please keep practicing. Please keep practicing. All right, so we have the verb keep and the gerund practicing. Please keep practicing. Let's go horseback riding. Let's go horseback riding. Let's go horseback riding. Let's go horseback riding. Go is the verb. Riding is the gerund. Let's go horseback riding. I suggest using a cart. 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 Suggest is the verb. Using is the gerund. I suggest using a cart. I asked about renting a chair. 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 Okay, now we have verb, preposition, gerund. Asked, verb, about, preposition, renting, gerund. I asked about renting a chair. I look forward to seeing you soon. 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 Verb, preposition, gerund. Look is the verb. Forward to is the preposition. Seeing is the gerund. I look forward to seeing you soon. I gave up fishing. I gave up fishing. I gave up fishing. I gave up fishing. Verb, preposition, gerund. Gave is the verb. Up is the preposition. Fishing is the gerund. I gave up fishing. She is tired of playing. 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 We have the be verb, adjective, preposition, gerund. She is the be verb. Tired is the adjective. Of is the preposition. Playing is the gerund. She is tired of playing. They are famous for skating. 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 Be verb, adjective, preposition, gerund. They are is the be verb. Famous is the adjective. For is the preposition. Skating is the gerund. They are famous for skating. He is good at cooking. 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 All right. Be verb, adjective, preposition, gerund. He is be verb, good adjective, at preposition, cooking, gerund. He is good at cooking. Yeah. Are you good at cooking? Yes? No? No? Yes? All right? Are you all right at it? Okay, good, good. All right, everyone. We did it. Wow, we did a lot. We did a lot, didn't we? All right. Congratulations. Thanks so much. I'm happy that we practiced together. All right. So if you enjoy my videos, if you enjoy my content, please consider joining the channel. Yes. By supporting me, I can support you. Help me so I can help you. All right. So I would really, really appreciate it. You can hit the join button and there will be a pop-down menu where you can see the different benefits and the different levels of membership. Okay. So please check that out. Also, Patreon, if this is another good way of supporting me and the channel, is becoming a patron. So please check that out. And of course, I have a website, markkulek.com, with flashcards and worksheets that you can download. And that's another good way of supporting me and the channel. And I have books here. And you can find my books, 50 Very Short Conversations. And they are at amazon.com. That's another good way of supporting me and the channel. I have merch. Here's a mug, English Conversation Practice. That's another good way of supporting me and the channel. And of course, please like, share, and subscribe. Please like, share, and subscribe. And by sharing my videos, that's another good way of supporting me and the channel. Okay, everyone, thanks so much. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.